aware that this is a meeting that when we are preparing our motions, someone that had tested here, Ambassador.
My name is Senator Mohammed Ali Ndume, a senator representing Borno South, and by God's grace, the Chief Whip of the Senate. Comrades, I come here in solidarity. Let me say one thing. Please, I beg you in the name of God, let us take what we are doing serious. Let us know that God is watching us. Let us not come here to only wave flags and then sing songs and go back. Let us solve the problem that is in this country. As I come to speak to you, I swear to God, I speak because I know what I went through to escape poverty. The president, the former, the immediate president of NLC is from my constituency, and he knows me very well. I'm a son of the poor that became somebody without knowing anybody. That time, Nigeria was working. I was able to go to public school. I was able to go to public higher institutions. I was able to get 3 jobs at a time. But now, things have changed. Who changed is we. And we are supposed to do the change. The National Assembly are your representatives. I came here by the grace of God and by the grace of our people, especially the workers. I am 6th-term member of the National Assembly by the grace of God and by the support I received from people like Waba. Therefore, comrades, please, let us be serious. We have a problem in this country. The problem is born. We have to solve this problem ourselves. Let me tell you that whether we like it or not, as our representatives, we must represent you. In response to what the leadership is doing, the National Assembly, especially the Senate, we have been following keenly what is going on. When we realize that there is a breakdown in the discussion between the presidency and the NLC, day before yesterday, one of our colleagues brought a motion on this labor crisis that we are facing and the need for the Senate to intervene. There is a motion that we passed on Monday. When we before we started the screening, we brought that motion, and all the members of the Senate were co-sponsors. And that is to look at what is happening. Why is the negotiation stalled? We have a problem. The NLC is discussing with the presidency. I understand now what the president is saying. I'm in support. And I said it before, that the NLC should be negotiating with either the president or the vice president. And if because of their schedule, then an acceptable representation will continue the discussion. We stand with you on that. And as I said, please have confidence in the National Assembly or give us a trial. Let the Senate, the leadership, be involved in the negotiation. One of us here is from the Labour Party. I am from the governing party. 2 of them are here. They cannot afford to betray you or fail you. If they do that, after 1,400 days, that is 3-4 years, they will come back to look for your votes. So they know what will happen if they fail you. Please, let us be serious. Let us not just come here, wave flags, and then wear this thing and leave this thing like that. let us find permanent solution to this. And the solutions can be achieved. As you said, refineries are not working. Dangote started the refinery and he was to complete it. Nothing was there. Let us ask these questions. And it is not enough to say give money to the local refineries. How much have been given to them and what happened? No. So let us find concrete solution to our problem. I am taking this letter back to the leadership, of which I'm one. And as the president was reading them out, I was paying attention. The Senate will make these demands their terms of reference. And please, as I said, this is a message, a very strong one. But we are all Nigerians. This country belongs to all of us. As long as we are involved in the negotiation, we should also consider the consequences of our action. Unfortunately, the people that will suffer more are our people. The people that harass you at the gate are the poor. There is no son of a senator that is constable or sergeant out there. So, where is the problem? The problem is with us. When I was told that you are bad at the gate there, the sergeant at arms is here. He can bear me witness. He called me. He said, the chief whip, there are Labour people out there and the police have blocked them. I told him, allow them to come in and wait for us to come and address them. So it's not that we are completely insensitive. We are Nigerians. As I said, most of us, unfortunately, that are maltreating our own are from the poor. How many are rich Nigerians? There are very few. Majority of our senators are from the poor. Majority of the police harassing us are from the poor. Majority of those people that are doing all these things are the poor. They are just lucky to be in part of a security and then you are in the labor. That's the difference. So let us, Mr. President, I give you my word and I give the leadership your word. And also, you should let Nigerians know what is going on. It is not enough for us to gather here and talk about this. We should carry Nigerians along. We should carry Nigerians along. And then we should be considerate to the impact or the effect of our actions on Nigerians. So that if you are fighting somebody, and you don't want to, or you are not supposed to kill him, please beat him, don't kill him. So if you are beating in order to teach that person a lesson, if you kill him, then it becomes another thing. So don't kill us, please. Beat us, but don't kill us. Beat us, I understand. When you disagree with somebody, you can tell me. But if you shoot him, he is dead. So slap us, but don't shoot us. If you shoot the system, then everybody will suffer. And you too will suffer, because if you don't have me, then you are not okay. If your neighbor is hungry and you are okay, you are not okay. So please, Mr. President, reconsider and give the Senate the chance, and then if we fail you, then of course you can go back to your position. I beg you, in the name of God, this should serve as a warning to the presidency, to the National Assembly, to everybody. Then if nothing very tangible comes out of our effort, then we can take action. Thank you very much.
Labour Party Senator, I am also your direct representative. So I assure you, everything you are feeling, we understand it. I also assure you that the Senate is going to get involved. And I will ensure I'm not part of the leadership, but I am your representative. I will not let them cheat you. I went to school in America on a federal government scholarship. I had a car I bought straight from the factory, a Volkswagen, for 300 naira. So I know the Nigeria that bred me is not the Nigeria you have. My first job came with a house, a beetle, and 500 naira, and that 500 naira bought me everything. So I know the issues. And I also am a mother. I have children who are your ages that I want to inherit a better Nigeria. So please, just give us a chance to get involved. Just a little chance. And we will make sure if things are not resolved in your favor.
Fellow comrades, we have motion on ground. The Senate is going to be involved. Please give us 1 week and we will report progress. So I am begging you to call up the strike and give us 1 week and we will report progress, and if you are not satisfied with the progress we are making, then you can take further action. Please.
So we have just give us that 7 days and you see. Yes.
We are ready to engage. We are ready to meet. Even if it's midnight you call us, we are there. Even if it's weekend that you call us, we are there. Thank you so much, and we appreciate it. Madam, thank you for the reassurance. And it's also nice seeing you to know that you are the one that represents us, and you are here with us.
1 week ago.
You are representing for New South, but you are the chief whip for the Senate. So you are our chief whip. You are our chief whip. We quite appreciate it. Thank you so much. Distinguished Senator, one of us, we appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice one. You want to
Hold up.